Hello, crypto traders. How are you doing today? It's your boy HyperFX again. And on this interesting episode, I am going to be teaching you how you should size your positions appropriately on any crypto exchange out there, whether it is Binance, Bybit, or Gate.io, Coinbase. Name any crypto exchange. This tutorial is for you. If you have been blowing your account on leverage when you are trading on Bybit perpetual contract, this video will teach you how you can size your positions and lose only the amount of dollar that you want to risk in a trade. So if you are risking just 1 or 2% of your capital, you need to be able to place a trade where when you hit your target, you are to lose only that amount of money that makes up for 1% or 2% of your capital. Or when you hit stop loss, you lose only that 1% or 2% of your capital. So without wasting much of your time, follow me. Let's dive into the chart as I show you a live example of how to do your position sizing when trading crypto perpetual contracts.
So guys, as you can see, I have a position running on Ton USDT and it is a sell position. Uh, I will show you on my chart. This is my position. I will also show you my thought process that I used to arrive at this short position. After you have your analysis done, you bring out your short position or long position too. This is the long position too, and this is the short position too. So I brought out my short position too, and I placed my entry at 2.9220 and my stop loss at 2.961, and then my take profit at this sweet relative equal low of 2.8033. All right, so when I was done, I double clicked on my short position too. And when you see that, and when you double click, you are going to see a whole lot of information that will boggle your mind. Don't pay attention to all of them. I want you to concentrate on the one that says risk, and this is risk over here. And as I have told you, I am trading with real money in this tutorial. So what I was willing to risk was $2, just $2. And on the drop down, I will choose USDT. Okay, now that I have chosen my $2 USDT, what it will do is that it will put the quantity of ton USDT that I am going to be selling at this price of 2.9220. So once I click OK, I have 51.282 as the quantity of ton that I will be selling at $2. So what I need to do is to get hold of this information, which is my entry price, and this information, which is the quantity that I am willing to sell. So this right here is my trading account on Bybit. So as you can see, as you can see, I have an entry price of 2.9149. Okay, so I will quickly change it to 2.9220, 2.9220, and a quantity of 51.28, 51.28. Okay, sometimes the last digit will not enter. So the next thing I will do is that I will quickly come to my TP and stop loss and enter my stop loss as 2.961. I'll enter 2.961 and my take profit as what? The low of this candle. I think I should get it with a horizontal ray. So my take profit will be the low of this candle, which is 2.8033. 2.8033. Now, after you have done this, you should come to choose your margin as a cross margin, and you max out your leverage. Okay, make sure you max out your leverage when you are trying to perform this position sizing in crypto trading perpetual. Once you have maxed it out, you you see that the expected profit is 6.0774, which is about 3 RR that we have on our short position too. You see, the risk reward ratio is 3.04. This is our expected loss, 1.9968. So I will sell short. I'm not sure this order will trigger, but I already have a running position on ton USDT, which I used this same method to calculate my position. Okay, so it was the position I opened here. I think I'll wait and go and do other things so that we wait for our position to play out. All right, so peace out. I'll see you when I come back to this position. Whether profit or loss, we are going to use it as a learning tool. That is the aim of this channel. Please stick around. So, my thought process for this position, let me take you back to the 4 hour time frame so that you will see how I did my top down analysis to arrive at this short position that I placed here. So 4 hours, 4H, 4H, yes. So right here I noticed quickly that the price has been in a downtrend. Okay, it has been in a downtrend, and this fair value gap caught my eyes. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yes, this fair value gap caught my eyes, so I quickly labeled this break of structure right here as my resistance level. That is why you have this line here, and I marked out this fair value gap. And as you can see, price did not waste time to dig into this fair value gap before breaking down several other structures. Okay, now I am not saying that price is going to continue to the downtrend, but as you can see, we are just trying to take control of the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So if I should take us to the 1 hour chart, so see this as a sweep of liquidity right here, and once there is a liquidity sweep, price is likely to target the sell side liquidity or the extreme liquidity that lies at the edge. So on the 15 minutes time frame, I started to look for fair value gaps that could take price to the downside, and it wasn't that clear on the 15 minutes because the price action was kind of jagged and tight. So I had to take myself down to the 5 minutes time frame, and on the 5 minutes time frame everything was finally clear. I noticed that being that price is fractal, we are seeing price retrace into fair value gaps to rebalance them and continue to break down. And right here we have our sweet spot, which is a relative equal low. I love to see that a lot. You know, check my previous videos. I always show you what a relative equal low is, a low that has not yet been attacked. So yes, that is how I framed this one. And I want to thank you for being a part of this video up to this moment, and I appreciate you a lot. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel please, and come back for more educating and entertaining content like this. So guys, this is the outcome of our trade. Of course, we were expecting it to hit target, but we did not see it hitting target the next day, because me looking at it right here, this position I placed it on Sunday, but on Monday we hit target at exactly 1:15 p.m. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that position sizing works. Just follow the steps of what I have showed you, and being that we have double positions during our tutorial, we are going to be having a 6 reward for this risk that we have taken for this trade. So this is 11.58. I guess that's because they took out zero point 0.5 or thereabout USDT for the fees and stuff like that, and that is plus 195%. So guys, this is all you need to know about sizing your positions on every crypto platform. It doesn't only work on Bybit, it works on Binance, Coinbase, it works on Gate.io, all the crypto exchanges that you can think of. Just make use of this strategy to manage your risk properly. And I hope you found this video insightful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.